Hello and welcome to Minecraft. Well, at least we're going to get you there. The whole object of this tutorial is to set you up on the server I have created, which is MC Goldfish, because a few other individuals thought it would be funny for me to have that for a name. So anyways, they thought to go with it anyways. It sounds pretty funny, but anyways, so the first thing you want to do is start on your desktop and use some sort of internet service. Doesn't matter if it's Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, it really doesn't matter. You can go to any search engine. I like to prefer Google. I do prefer Explorer, which a lot of people is not really into it because they say it's pretty buggy, but I really don't have any mistakes with it. So use whatever you prefer. So once you go into a search engine, you could try Google if you like. I'm going to work with Google as you're seeing right now, and we want to type in Minecraft. So let me spell this correctly and type in Minecraft. We're going to go to Minecraft. You can go directly to the download option if you have it, but I'm going to do it the long way since you may not get that option depending on what you're using for a search engine. So we'll go into Minecraft. This is the Minecraft page. You get the little guys over here in the corner, the pig and the sheep and Steve himself. If you do not get this web page or you cannot view it, either go fix your drivers or do the search again. This is the correct page to be on, and the link we need is over here just under the buy now. It's called already bought the game, download it here. If you have not purchased the game, unfortunately at this moment you will not be able to get onto my server, but if you pay attention to the website that I have provided, and it does have the option to download the crack icon, allows you to play without paying. It's basically just follow the same tutorial, except for downloading the game. You would actually go to the website, and we'll see about making a tutorial for that as well. But anyways, if you have bought the game, you're going to go to the download here. Downloaded it here. This is the little link. Unfortunately, my internet was running a little slow. There we go. So it's under Minecraft for Windows, which is what I'm downloading. You do have the Mac versions as well, and Linux. All you have to do is just search around. You'll find that option here. Most likely, if you're running a Mac, it will automatically pop up for you. There's a section here that shows the platforms as well. This is where you would go if it doesn't show up. So we're not going to go there. I'm going to do the Windows version. I'm going to click on it to do my download. Now, when you do download this, and you automatically save it, because that's what you want to do, because when you save it, that is your actual icon you'll be working with. If you click save, the majority of the time it will send it to your downloads or your documents, also depending on what you have it saved as. So what I want to do is I want to send it directly to my desktop, even though my desktop is overcrowded. I'm going to send it there anyways. So I'm going to go save as, and then when it pops up, I'm going to pick my desktop and save it there. So it should be done in a few seconds. There we are, it's done. I'm not going to run it. I'm going to exit out of it, and I'm going to leave the website, go back to my desktop. So again, excuse me for all my icons. This is my little workstation. I do a lot of fun stuff here, but now I got to search for it. So it's right here. I'm going to pull it off to the side above the server itself, and all I'm going to do is I've already got the server running, and so that I can show you how to connect. We're going to double click on the Minecraft icon to get the program running. You can, when it first pops up, it'll give you a security warning majority of the time. You can unclick that so you don't see it no more. That's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to unclick it and then I'm going to run it. So next time I run it, you'll automatically see this page popping up now, and you will not see it. So the next spot would be logging in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in so that you guys get to see. This would be the first page you would see. So we want to log in. Again, this is a paid account. If you don't have a paid account, you'll have to follow the other option I have on the website. So I'm going to log in with my info, and give me a second here, type in my credentials, and then I'm going to log in. So this is what you'll get. Unfortunately, as of right now, we are running with a 1.62. There is the latest one out is 1.64. You don't want the 1.64 right now, you want the 1.62, but in the future, if we change and we go up to a higher client, I'm going to show you how to do that now. Just go into your edit profile, which is right here underneath your name. We're going to click on there, and if you follow down the list, you will see use versions. It's about 75% down the page. Release 1.62. I would just click on there because normally it will say 1.6.4, but I'll click the 1.6.2, and we're going to save the profile. So now you have the same client set up for the server. So everything matches. So now we're going to click play, and it's going to do its little run here. Your computer may be a little faster than mine, maybe a little slower, but just wait until this page pops up. When this page pops up, we're going to click multiplayer. Now, as you can see, I already have the server in here. I'm going to erase it so I can show you guys again how this is what you'll see when it first comes up. There's no servers, no nothing. So we're going to add a server. Once we add a server, you can call it whatever you want. I'll do that now. Let's call this MC Goldfish. Oops. Goldfish. And we're going to put in the IP. Now, what I did is I just copied the IP, highlight the IP, press Control-C to make my copy, and now I'm going to press Control-V, which gives me my IP, or you can type it in random. Type it in how you like to. Either way, just make sure the IP is the same. This is the IP to the server as of right now, and if it ever changes, which unfortunately it will, just keep looking on the website, and I'll keep it posted to the new IP. So now we're going to click done. As you can see, it pops up. If by chance it doesn't pop up and there's an X through it, you want to go cancel and then back into multiplayer, and it should pop up. Unfortunately, I am on the same computer as the server right now, so it's a little fast. It'll also say, if you don't have the right version, and it will pop up, it'll have an X through it, and it will say right next to it 1.6.4 or whatever version you have of your client, just telling you that it's incorrect. Go back and change the edit profile again. So now that we have it up and running, all we have to do is now just double click it, and the game will start. Again, my computer, I'm on the same computer as the server, so it is really fast right at this moment. And it may not be as fast, or you may be faster, depending on what you have for a computer. So that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. There is a few other things. I do go into my options, and I do change my settings, as in my controls. I like to hit enter for my chat, which is normally it's set to T, and usually that's about it. So other than that, that's everything you need to know. So go have fun, enjoy yourself, and I hope to see you on the server.